Welcome to Astronomy Daily, the podcast. I'm your host, Anna, and today we're venturing beyond Earth's atmosphere to explore the frontiers of space exploration and celestial events. In this episode, we'll take a closer look at the milestones ahead for Boeing's Starliner spacecraft as it readies for a historic crewed launch. We're also covering the spectacular natural light show of a rare aurora that recently graced the skies around the globe, a dazzling phenomenon connected to a potent solar activity. Moreover, we'll delve into the flurry of SpaceX launches, observing how this aerospace titan is not only reshaping satellite deployment, but also forging ahead with bold missions for national security. Not to be outdone in the realm of defense, the United States Space Force is also making leaps with the Foo Fighter program, an initiative focused on advanced missile tracking technologies. Lastly, we'll provide an update on the construction of the Gateway Space Station, an unprecedented endeavor that promises to serve as humanity's first lunar outpost, marking a new chapter in space habitation. So buckle in and ready your telescopes. Our cosmic voyage begins now right here on Astronomy Daily, the podcast.
The Astronomy Daily podcast.
In the realm of groundbreaking space travel, a pivotal moment is upon us, with Boeing's CST-100 Starliner spacecraft poised for its maiden crewed flight. This is more than just a typical launch. It's a celebratory 100th mission for the prestigious Atlas V rocket, a seasoned veteran in launching logic. More significance is added by the fact that this will be the first human-filled journey the Atlas V has ever embarked on. The anticipation is especially high since Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, a site with a storied legacy reaching back to the hallowed Apollo era, will witness its first crewed liftoff since those monumental days. However, the path to this landmark event is paved with challenges, much like any ambitious feat in aerospace. The initial attempt had to be meticulously aborted over concerns involving the liquid oxygen relief valve on Centaur's second stage, embodying the rigorous checks and balances inherent in such complex missions. As we gear up for the rescheduled launch, the eyes of the world, particularly the United Aerospace community, are keenly fixed on Starliner's CFT mission. The spotlight shines brightly on the mission's seasoned crew, Commander Barry Butch Wilmore and pilot Sunita Suni Williams, the latter set to make history as the first woman to initiate the maiden voyage of a new orbital vehicle. This mission not only carries the hopes of a successful flight, but also bears the torch for future voyages, setting the stage for consistent crew rotations to the International Space Station under NASA's Commercial Crew Program. Indeed, the impending launch of the Starliner stands as a testament to the spirit of exploration and human endeavor. As we look to the skies, it's not just the star fields that dazzle us, but sometimes nature's own celestial light show graces our atmosphere. A recent rare aurora was witnessed across the globe, painting the night sky with vibrant hues, a stunning spectacle to behold. What caused this ethereal display? None other than an extreme geomagnetic storm, rating at a level 5 on the scale. This incredible event was the first of such intensity since back in 2003. The drama in the sky was the result of a powerful X-class solar flare, a significant X58, which erupted from the sun on May 10th. These titanic flares can unleash waves of energy capable of causing disruptions down here on Earth. This particular flare stirred concerns about the potential impact on communication systems and GPS navigation due to atmospheric disturbances. Yet, in a twist, it seemed our satellites, namely SpaceX's vast Starlink constellation, managed to emerge relatively unscathed. The company reported that its fleet remained healthy despite the solar storm's might. The effects weren't all disruptions and concerns. For ham radio operators, the event created a unique opportunity. The ionized layers of the atmosphere, juiced up by the solar outburst, acted like a mirror for radio waves, allowing operators to communicate over much longer distances than usual, a silver lining to the charged cosmic event. As we continue to advance toward a future entwined with space technology, these natural phenomena remind us of the inherent complexities and surprises of our universe. Keep your eyes to the heavens. You never know when the next dazzling aurora will dance across the night sky. Turning our gaze toward the industrious efforts of SpaceX, we witness a formidable pace in their launch schedule. This aerospace trailblazer is not only marking its 50th Falcon 9 mission of the year, but is also managing a trio of planned launches involving the versatile Falcon 9 rockets. Their assignments vary from reinforcing the Starlink constellation, a global initiative that is growing in subscribers and manifesting sizable revenue projections, to clandestine operations for the National Reconnaissance Office. What may capture the imagination most is the impending deployment of the first in a new fleet of spy satellites, an instrumental part of a proliferated architecture poised to elevate our orbital intelligence capabilities. This frantic period at the launch pad reflects not just a business-as-usual mentality, but reveals the scale at which our spacefaring ambitions continue to accelerate, a testament to both technical prowess and cosmic aspiration. In the midst of this hustle is SpaceX's Starlink Group 8, 7 mission, eyeing the early morning skies for its voyage. The payload, an eclectic mix of next-generation satellites, will boost connectivity from the heavens, functioning akin to orbiting cell phone towers. As these missions unfurl in the cosmos, a notable 5th anniversary approaches, commemorating the launch of the very first Starlink test satellites. A half-decade later, and the project's growth is a marvel, with far-reaching implications here on Earth. Falcon 9's ceaseless journey skyward speaks to a broader narrative, our increasingly intertwined existence with the technology we propel into the infinite expanse. As SpaceX looks to surpass the number of orbital launch attempts worldwide in record time, we are reminded of our insatiable thirst for discovery and our relentless pursuit to carve out our place among the stars. Turning our gaze to SpaceX's Starship, Elon Musk's audacious vision of the future continues its forward march. The Starship project, comprising of an immense first-stage booster, Super Heavy, and the ship, its upper stage, remains the cornerstone of SpaceX's interplanetary ambitions. Musk, via his preferred communication channel on X, imparts that the next launch of this behemoth is, optimistically, a few weeks away in early May, a testament to SpaceX's unwavering pursuit of reusability and ambition. Each towering at a height that defies imagination, Super Heavy and ship are engineering marvels, each designed to be fully and rapidly reusable, a rarity in spaceflight. The 3 prior test launches from Starbase in South Texas paint a picture of a project learning with each ascent and descent. Remember the teething problems of the first flight, where the 2-component rocket met a premature end, initiating a controlled detonation shortly post-liftoff? Or the second flight, that marked a milestone with successful stage separation but ultimately ended in fragmented debris? Most recently, Flight 3 offered a glimpse into the art of the possible Super Heavy, gracefully descended, guiding itself toward the ocean's embrace before its untimely disintegration. Ship, however, soared, attaining orbital velocity, enduring an odyssey of almost an hour before succumbing to the inferno of re-entry. With these learnings, Musk's vision for Flight 4 is crystal clear. Surpass previous endurance, navigate maximum heat, and push the boundaries ever further. Preparation is palpable at the company, with each element undergoing static fire tests, anchoring itself assertively upon the Earth whilst unleashing the power of its Raptor engines. Even now, the behemoth quietly readies for its next dance with the cosmos, as the requisite but elusive FAA launch approval looms in the distance. In this race against gravity and time, Musk and his Leviathan creation stand at the precipice of the future, each test flight a step closer to the stars. And as we peer eagerly toward the skies, we anticipate Starship's next voyage, each of us invested in the unfolding legacy of human spaceflight. In a bold move to enhance national and global security, the United States Space Force has embarked on a revolutionary program known as the Foo Fighter Initiative. This program is gearing up to deploy a state-of-the-art satellite constellation dedicated to tracking advanced missile threats. We're not talking about ordinary missiles here. These are hypersonic missiles that thunder through the skies at speeds ranging from Mach 5 all the way up to a staggering Mach 25. The Space Development Agency's commission to Millennium Space Systems, Inc., worth $414 million, talks volumes about the strategic importance of this defense network. The upcoming Fire Control on Orbit Support to the War Fighter, or FOO program, is set to enhance the capabilities of the proliferated warfighter space architecture constellation. This constellation is piecing together a sophisticated tapestry of interconnected satellites equipped with technologies that were once considered a figment of science fiction. Capable of offering advanced warning, detection, and tracking services, the Foo Fighter program stands as a testament to our resilience and determination to preserve peace above the Earth. And the time frame is aggressive. With a projected launch date in the first quarter of 2027, the clock is ticking for the teams of the United States Space Force. Much like the mythical Foo Fighters of World War II, this cutting-edge program might become the stuff of legend, assuring our skies are monitored and our world a safer place. What once danced in the realm of UFOs and speculative wonders is now a concrete foundation in our quest to repel the threats of the future. It's programs like Foo Fighter that remind us of the inextricable link between innovation, security, and the ceaseless march of technology in our relentless pursuit of protection from the heavens. As we venture further into the cosmos, a monumental endeavor is unfolding in Turin, Italy, where the construction of humanity's first lunar orbiting outpost, the Gateway Space Station, marks a new era in space exploration. The Artemis 4 mission stands as the pivotal project propelling this progress, with two fundamental modules, the Habitation and Logistics Outpost, also known as HALO, and the Lunar Y-HAB, being meticulously assembled. This visionary gateway will serve as not only a lunar way station, but as a home for astronauts as they orbit the moon, facilitating unprecedented deep space research and missions to the lunar South Pole. NASA, alongside pivotal contributions from international partners, including the European Space Agency and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, has made significant strides with the HALO module and the recent commencement of the Lunar I-HAB module's fabrication. The ingenuity of global cooperation is on full display as this initiative integrates advanced components like the Canada-provided Canadarm3, a sophisticated robotic system that will support Gateway's functionality. While the power and propulsion element will be launched together with HALO. It's during the Artemis 4 mission that astronauts will shepherd Lunar I-HAB to the Gateway, embedding it as one of the 4 core modules where they will reside and work. The international teams setting foot on the Gateway will be true pioneers, the first of humankind to inhabit a space station beyond Earth's orbit. As they conduct their science and prepare for lunar missions, they won't just be visiting the moon, they will be living at the threshold of human exploration, beyond the confines of our world, reaching new heights for generations to aspire to. The Gateway stands as both a testament to human ingenuity and a beacon, calling us onward in the journey of space discovery.
The Astronomy Daily Podcast.
Shifting our gaze from human ventures to robotic explorations, the Juno spacecraft offers us a remarkable glimpse into the Jovian system. On its 59th close flyby of Jupiter, Juno captured breathtaking views of the planet's vibrant bands and tumultuous storms, including the iconic Great Red Spot. But nestled within these grandeur images was a far more subtle, yet equally fascinating sight, the tiny moon, Amalthea. Amalthea may be small, with a radius of just 52 miles, resembling more a potato than a sphere because it lacks the mass to pull itself into a more rounded shape. This diminutive moon carries with it the distinction of being the reddest object in our solar system. And it holds secrets that intrigue scientists. Despite its size, Amalthea radiates more heat than it receives from the sun. One hypothesis suggests this excess warmth may stem from its proximity to Jupiter's powerful magnetic field, inducing electric currents within its core. Another theory points to tidal stresses wrought by Jupiter's immense gravity as the source of its internal heat. Juno's close approach, from approximately 165,000 miles above Jupiter's roiling clouds, allowed for such a detailed examination of this enigmatic moon. These images, processed by citizen scientist Gerald Eichstadt from raw data of the JunoCam instrument, underscore the vital role of amateur astronomers and enthusiasts in our collective journey through the cosmos. JunoCam's raw images, open to the public for creative processing, enhance the mission's collaborative spirit, inviting all who are curious to partake in the unceasing quest to unveil the mysteries of our celestial neighbors. As we conclude today's interstellar journey, I'd like to extend a heartfelt thank you for joining me on Astronomy Daily. Your curiosity fuels our exploration of the cosmos, and we hope to continue enlightening you with the mysteries and wonders of space. Don't let your astronomical adventure end here. Connect with us through our digital observatory at astronomydaily.io. There, you'll find a universe of resources at your fingertips. Explore the latest space and astronomy news with our constantly updating newsfeed and uncover celestial insights that pique your interest. You can also sign up for our free daily newsletter to receive updates that are simply out of this world. For those looking to engage with fellow enthusiasts and experts, our website offers fantastic sponsor deals from products we use that you may like too. Have your say in our cosmic conversation by rating the podcast or leaving us a message. We're always eager to hear your thoughts, questions, and discoveries. And the conversation continues on X, formerly known as Twitter. Follow us at Astro Daily Pod to stay in the loop with day-to-day developments, behind-the-scenes content, and much more. Our exploration of the heavens is unending, and we invite you to travel this infinite journey with us. Join us next time for another enlightening episode as I, Anna, guide you through the celestial spheres and beyond. This is Astronomy Daily, the podcast, where every day we bring the universe a little closer to you.